This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules.
A 22-year-old youth was killed during intense clashes between security forces and protesters in Arwani village of Bijbehara Tehsil of Anantnag district in South Kashmir on Friday. The deceased youth was identified as Mohammad Ashraf, a resident of Kharpura, who sustained a bullet injury in his abdomen during the clashes near the sites of gun battle between forces and militants in Arwani. He was shifted to district hospital Anantnag, where doctors declared him dead on arrival. Reports said that many other protesters were also injured in the clash. Sources said that the army and SOG of Jammu and Kashmir police cordoned off Eidgah Maula of Arwani following specific information about the presence of some militants. They said that the militants tried to break the cordon by opening indiscriminate fire on the forces, triggering off an encounter. Sources said that 3 militants are believed to be trapped. Meanwhile, authorities have blocked 3G, 4G mobile internet service across the Kashmir Valley. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850, Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.